Hi guys, this is the nice and clean hospital and my mom is in the bed. So we can, this is for the safety. Just pull it up. So we take photos. One car's moving, right? So the sky is really nice. Also, there's a telephone on the small space, but I saw there's an ejection in the side, and there's a red button for the lights to get on. Also, there's a hanger on here, and also it has a cover so you can put everything inside: shoe, luggage, and your toy. But also you can hide, but it's dangerous for you, otherwise you cannot breathe, you will die. So next is the bathroom, toilet, and tissue and brush, toothpaste, but there's no minion on. And there's a door. This is the storage, and you can keep shoes, luggage, and anything you can put. You can hide toys so nobody takes your toy. Even it has a washer hand and a garbage. This is the TV and watch and relax. Lights, and it's really nice and pretty. But also the bed has safety doors, so my mom doesn't fall down.
So we don't put any light.
Love you.
Is.
You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Trauma.
Open.
No.
Oh my God.
I'll go. Come on, I'll go.
Good night. We're gonna sleep on the couch bed, and also it turns into a bed, that couch, and I'm sleeping at it down, but now it's already morning, so we wake up. Mommy, get well soon. You're welcome. Get well soon, okay? Tamu's sitting on it. A sister?
Yes.
Okay, then it's time to leave. It's time to go back home. Mommy's better, so we can go back home. Also, the luggages we already packed to go back home, so we can easily relax and sleep. Okay, then bye bye, hospital.